This is the 2024 Delta Cup, the Inter-Municipality and City Basketball Tournament presented to you by the Provincial Government of Pampanga through Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, as we are live here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in the beautiful city of San Fernando, Pampanga for game number 3 of this Saturday quintuple header dito, as we will see John Del Cunanan and the rest of BAYUNG Mexico looking to make a statement and beat the crowd favorite team dito, ang Level Up LUBAO, led by the brand new Letranista, the Tasmanian Devil CJ Delfino will look to defeat etong mighty BAYUNG Mexico in this ballgame. That is our game at hand. BAYUNG Mexico kontra Level Up LUBAO. Ako po ang inyong makakasama for this ballgame. Ako po si Enzo Galarosa. And syempre makakasama natin on the sideline si MJ Raimundo. Mamaya-maya makakuha tayo ng reports sa kanya. But syempre pwede nyo pong tutukan ang aming laro dito at the Pampanga PIO Facebook page. Live po tayo dyan. Kaya comment and share na po kayo ng aming live. And syempre live din po tayo sa YouTube channel ng Pampanga PIO at Pampanga_PIO, and simultaneously being broadcasted live din po tayo sa Sinag Liga Asia YouTube channel at Sinag Liga TV. Kaya po mga kabalen, subscribe na po sa aming mga channel. And syempre, tingnan na natin nasan itong dalawang kupunan na to sa ating updated team standings. Itong Level Up LUBAO at 4-3 dito sa bracket A. Samantalang ito namang BAYUNG Mexico at the number 3 spot at 5-3. Looking to seal a twice to beat entering dito sa ating playoffs. Ito namang Level Up LUBAO, gustong makaangat pa dahil nga meron silang tie dito with I Love San Simon at the 5th spot, as the Tasmanian Devil looking to get this big victory para sa kanila. And coming up po mga kabalen, it's the battle between BAYUNG Mexico kontra Level Up LUBAO. And to introduce the starters of this ballgame, let's turn it over to our arena announcer, Ram Valid.
Good afternoon once again, Delta Cup fans, and welcome to BREN GUIAO Convention Center, San Fernando City, Pampanga. This is our third game, the battles between BAYUNG Mexico and Level Up LUBAO. And now let's meet the starters for both teams. First, for BAYUNG Mexico. At guard number 24, Eden Llantos. Also at guard number 11, John Del Cunanan. At forward number 7, Argel Menezes. Also at forward number 10, Exi Perez. And center number 8, Nomer Pascual. Head coach is J.R. Gomez. Assistant coaches Howard Gonzalez, John Ronald David, John Carlo Manalili, and team manager Mr. Alex Baluyo. And now let's meet the starters for your Level Up LUBAO. At guard number 17, CJ Delpino. Also at guard number 22, Mark Manalang. At forward number 2, Manuel Pangan. The other forward number 8, France de la Cruz. And center number 5, Vincent Sinque. Head coach for Level Up LUBAO is James De La Peña. Bert Binuya, assistant coaches, Mark Domingo and Dong Regala. Game officials for this game, Dennis Escaros, Anthony Galutera, and Jong Panayat. This is the Delta Cup 2023 Inter-Municipalities.
And here are the starters of this ball game for BAYUNG Mexico. They're starting with Llantos, Cunanan, Pascual, Perez, and Argel Menezes. Para naman dito sa Level Up LUBAO, they're starting with Manalang, Sique, Pangan, De La Cruz, and Charles Jacob Delfino. As the battle between the number 3 and the number 6 seed sa bracket A. Kaya ba ng BAYUNG Mexico isil ang twice to beat advantage, or will Level Up LUBAO lumevel up ba sila sa team standings dito? Early possession for LUBAO, and an early foul dito whistled on BAYUNG Mexico. It's gonna be a Nomer Pascual. So baseline inbound maibibigay dito sa mga naka-asul. CJ stripped away. Nasa LUBAO pa rin ang bola, naaagaw yan. Llantos on the run. Loses the basketball. Siquiels swings it. Three-pointer. Knocks it down. An early three-point make agad para dito kay Argel Meneses. Good sign for Ingbayong Mexico that their outside shot is falling. We know this team is a really, really good three-point shooting team. Manalang spins. Manalang puts it up. Droop to the line for two. Great drive there. Galing dito kay Mark Manalang. Get two free throws, but let's take a look at this. Good kick out by Cycle Perez to Argel Meneses for the first field goal of this ball game. It's a three-point shot early on for Ingbayong Mexico na, kasabi ko nga lang kanina, mga kabalin, mahusay na shooting team po itong Ingbayong Mexico. As 1 out of 2 itong si Manalang. 3-1 ang ating score. Liantos gives it to John Del Cunanan. They go down low to Pascual. Cunanan, up fake. John Del flips it up. No good offensive board. Cunanan, ayaw pa rin. Here comes LUBAO. They give it to Manalang. Tries from the outside and knocks it down. First 4 points of LUBAO comes by Manalang. What a start for Mark Manalang already. Perez. Scoop layup. Partially deflected. Ito, tumatakbo na. Delfino. Naharangan. Good defense by Cunanan. This is the matchup we're all waiting for. But Manalang starting off on fire. 2 out of 2 now from three-point land. All 7 points of level up LUBAO come by Mark Manalang. Redden attacks the gap. He puts it up and Liantos naman ang magpupunta sa free throw line. Foul will be on Vincent Sinque. Sinque gets his first personal foul. Redden Liantos, a couple of games ago, did score 20 points for Ingbayong Mexico and was crowned the best player of the game. Let's see if Redden can lead the way for Ingbayong Mexico to seal a twice to beat. But yun nga lang, 0 for 2. Tapos may foul na ipito dun kay Nomer Pascual. Pushing foul whistled on him. 7-3 ang ating score. 4-point lead para dito sa level up LUBAO. LUBAO swings it to the corner and another three-pointer. 3 straight threes. This time it's De La Cruz. Fran De La Cruz with a 3. 3 consecutive three-point makes already para dito sa level up LUBAO. They're showcasing their shooting. What a start for the men in blue. Let's take a look at this. Manalang goes over to De La Cruz for the three-pointer right there. Count them, 3 straight threes na for LUBAO. Perez, block right there. What a block by Sinque. Manalang, tumatakbo. Gives it to CJ. Charles Jacob kicks it. De La Cruz. Natapik. And it's a completed steal for Ingbayong Mexico. And Argel will get a gimme right here. Second field goal for Ingbayong Mexico. He cuts this 10-0 run of level up LUBAO. Delfino gives it to Manalang. Back to CJ. The Tasmanian Devil pulls up from mid-range. Off the mark for Delfino. Redden swings it over to Argel. Back to Pascual. They give it to Cunanan. Perez against De La Cruz. Near steal from behind by Manalang, but it leaves Perez wide open. Oh, look at that rebound by Meneses. And Argel puts it up and in. 5 points now for Argel Meneses. Great offensive rebounding right there by Meneses, fighting against Manuel Pangan, the taller Manuel Pangan, and winning that battle. Jumper by Pangan, couldn't knock it down. Liantos against Pangan. Liantos overshoots. Hindi makuha ni Vincent Sinque yung bola. The ball will remain dito sa panig ng Ingbayong Mexico as an early substitution for Coach J.R. Gomez. Pasok ito si Gerald Nakbil, but let's take a look at this offensive rebound and put back galing dito kay Argel Meneses for his 4th and 5th point of the game. Kenji Gonzalez din papasok for level up LUBAO. And now let's turn it over to MJ Raimundo for her report on the two teams playing in today's ball game. MJ?
Thank you, Enzo. Ayon kay Head Coach J.R. Gomez, gusto nilang ipagpatuloy ang depensa at i-improve ang mga kakulangan nila dahil galing daw sila sa talo last week. Hindi isa, kung hindi lahat, dapat daw ay kailangan mag-step up ngayong game. At ang goal nila bukod sa manalo, gusto nilang mapigilan itong si CJ Delfino ng Team LUBAO. Para naman kay CJ, ipapakita daw niya ang laro niya ng maayos at gusto niya din na teamwork ang mangyari sa kanilang team. Hindi lang dapat siya ang gagawa dahil sabi daw ni Coach sa kanya na as a veteran player, kailangan din niya na i-lead ang teammates niya. At dagdag pa ni Coach James Allen de la Peña, depensa ang kailangan nilang patibayin at trapping defense para manalo sa laro ngayon. Back to you, Enzo.
Thank you so much, MJ, for that report. So both teams defensive-minded para sa Bayung Mexico. But level up LUBAO. Another 3-point make. That's their 4th. Kenji Gonzalez naman off the bench. But yun nga, so far for Coach J.R. Gomez, they have held CJ Delfino scoreless dito. But the others, for level up LUBAO, nakaka-score 3 tres. Para dito kay Mark, 4 na tres, 2 kay Manala, 1 kay De La Cruz, at 1 para dito kay Gonzalez. Let's take a look at this buzzer-beating 3-pointer from Kenji. Beating the shot clock there. But yun nga, as to what Coach J.R. Gomez said, gusto nilang pigilan si Tasmanian Devil. But then again, it's the other players for level up LUBAO who's stepping up. As a good block right there by Meneses. Liantos will fly to the air. Nilawa nga lang ng ring. Meneses and Gonzalez a little bit getting a little bit chippy right there, but Liantos shaken up. Medyo masama yung bagsak niya. Now referees will take a look at that. Dahil nga medyo natamaan in mid-air itong si Liantos. He's shaken up right there, but we all know Reden Liantos is a tough kid. Let's take a look at this. Oh, right there. Sumabit sa ilalim and Liantos falls face first on the ground. And it's gonna be an unsportsmanlike foul whistled right here. So Kenji Gonzalez nakakapasok lang at kakashoot pa lang niya ng 3-point shot kanina. He already gets whistled for an unsportsmanlike foul as Liantos is still down on the ground. Still shaken up itong si Reden Liantos. And the medical staff dito is already taking out the body stretcher right here. Not a good look. As we can see, Coach James Allen de la Peña. But talking about Reden Liantos, if you're a fan of Bayung Mexico, you are worried for this kid's future in this game. Kasi napaka-importante ni Reden Liantos. Let's hope he can recover immediately. Kid has a very bright future. Napakaganda po ng potential nito ni Reden Liantos. Very fearless na player. Relentless in attacking. Napakasipag dumepensa. Perfect player for any coach na paglalaroan niya. So right now, he is going to be carried. Lahat po ng medical staff ay tumayo na. He's now, andun na po siya nakahiga sa stretcher, still shaken up. We saw it na he landed face first. If you're familiar, great respect from the crowd of both teams. Let's take a look at this once again. Liantos yun, sumapit siya sa balikat nito ni Gonzalez and he hit face first on the ground. Taking the wind out of him, of course. Let's hope that this kid recovers quickly. One of our referees are already saying na sumabit nga dahil umiwas siya in mid-air. Talking about itong si Kenji Gonzalez, yung foul niya kay Reden Liantos. Now it's gonna be up to Coach J.R. Gomez to choose sinong player ang titira ng free throw in replacement of Reden Liantos. And he taps Etong si Lowell John Garing. Let's see if John can knock down both. And he does. But again, let's hope for a speedy recovery for Red and Llantos. Those who can remember, back when Troy Rosario in the PBA was still playing for Talk and Text, he had that same injury. Kept him out for 2 weeks. Hope na hindi naman ganun kalala. Injury dito ni Llantos as a steal here for LUBAO. CJ will wait for teammates. He swing it to the corner. Gonzalez back to Delfino. The former mythical 5-member of Sinag Liga Ashabor 2001 dishes it, and a good pass. Pocket pass to John Zita, and Zita knocks down the jumper. 15-9 in favor of Level Up LUBAO. Cunanan kicks it to the corner. Garing from the right corner misses, but an offensive rebound para dito sa BAYUNG Mexico. Garing drops it off. Fadeaway jumper, wala pa rin, but oh, what a block by Zita. And here comes Delfino, one-on-one against Cunanan. And the Tasmanian Devil with a spin. Di nga lang pumasok. One player's down ulit for BAYUNG Mexico. Meneses slow to get up, holding on to his face. Might have inadvertently gotten hit kanina. Six-point lead for the men in blue. Manalang, who's hit 2 already, couldn't hit his 3rd three-pointer of the quarter. 3 minutes and 10 remaining in this first period. Cunanan will attack, scoops it up, too strong. Still scoreless itong si Delfino at si Cunanan in this first period. Here comes CJ. CJ puts it up and in! Plus a foul for Charles Jacob Delfino. What a basket right there for the Pampanga Delta legend. Was won numerous championships for Pampanga Delta, and at the same time, now going to be part of the Colegio de San Juan de Letran Knights in the centennial season of the NCAA. He converts a 3-point play. Cool, calm, collected itong Tasmanian Devil. Baluyot swings it to Meneses. He'll fire for 3. This time can't make it. Nakpil, natapik. Gonzalez on a 3-on-1. Gonzalez to Delfino. 5 quick points now for CJ. And that forces Coach J.R. Gomez to call for time as their plan to neutralize the Tasmanian Devil has gone for naught. Dahil nga 5 quick points now for Charles Jacob after this beautiful 2-on-1 fast break. Di na binaba dito Charles Jacob Delfino, and an 11-point lead para sa Level Up LUBAO, 20-9 with 2 minutes and 29 remaining in this first period. Pa rin po ay nakatutok dito sa 2024 Delta Cup as tingnan natin itong highlights ni Mark Manalang, number 22 para sa Level Up LUBAO. 7 points, 1 rebound, 1 assist, 2 napakagandang tres kanyang pinakawalan dito in the first quarter. That's why 11 ang kalamangan ng Level Up LUBAO, 20-9 ang ating score. As air ball, yung tres doon ni John Garing. Delfino is on a 5-0 personal run. Itong si Charles Jacob. Picks up his dribble. Swings it to the middle. Zita, same spot he hit a jumper earlier. This time, ibang resulta. Tumatakbo na ang mga nakaputi. Good drive, pero good defense from Level Up LUBAO. Pero still no problem. Sabi dito ni John Garing with that jumper. Nine points ang hinahabol ng Bayung Mexico. Delfino. There's a whistle away from the basketball. I believe Nomer Pascual ang mapipituhan. I believe that will be his second personal foul. It is his second personal foul, and JR, iuupo muna. Iuupo niya muna itong si Pascual. Papasok. Itong si Aldwin Mangalos. Delfino to inbound. Swings it to Gonzalez. Kenji. Nakatapik yung pasa niya kay Delfino. Tumatakbo na itong Bayung Mexico. Oh. The strip attempt turns out to be a foul. As Luis Miguel Ballescas will go to the free throw line. Shooting two. Ito papasok na. Para dito sa panig na Level Up LUBAO. Ito si Allen Danan, a former Pampanga Pradera Theme Park member of an 18-under tournament. Ang pinya po doon, yung kaninang nag-best player of the game, itong si Joseph JP Pangilinan. Kasama sila doon. And Allen Danan, also a part of the Pampanga Delta team. Will we see him play? Nagliga Asia, 19-under dahil nga napakabata pa po nito ni Allen Danan. 8-point lead, 20-12 in favor of LUBAO. Delfino fires from way downtown. So good yan for CJ. Ballescas against Delfino. Ballescas the crossover. He turns it over. Would have brought the house down if he crossed up CJ Delfino using his own move. Pangiti na lang si Tasmanian Devil doon. Pasok din. Para sa Level Up LUBAO, ito si Kevin Montemayor, number 3. CJ looking at the clock. 7-second difference shot clock, game clock. Delfino swings it to the corner. Up fake. And the scoop layup, pumasok! At counted pa yan para kay John Zita. Great attack galing dito kay John. Finding a hole on the defensive end and this beautiful scoop layup through the middle. Perfect finger roll finish for John Zita. Kompleto pa yung 3-point play at naibalik nila sa 11 puntos sa kanilang kalamangan. 5 seconds remaining on the clock. And great safety defense right there by Montemayor, forcing a third turnover. 3.2 for LUBAO to make something happen. CJ, 1 second from half court. A little bit short for Charles Jacob, but what a masterful performance in the first quarter para dito sa Level Up LUBAO. Nagsimula sa 7 straight points ni Mark Manalang ang ating laro. Ito sila Argel Meneses of Bayung Mexico trying to fight and scratch and claw their way back into this game. But yun nga si Mark Manalang nag-init agad for 7 quick points of his own. Sama mo pa yung 5-0 personal run ni Charles Jacob Delfino and syempre ang buzzer-beating 3-pointer ni Kenji Gonzalez kanina. And here's the beautiful layup kanina by Charles Jacob Delfino at lamang ng 11 puntos. Etong Level Up LUBAO, 23-12 after the end of the first period of your 2024 Delta Cup. Pa rin po ay nakatutok dito sa 2024 Delta Cup at syempre like and also watch our games live dito sa Delta Cup sa Pampanga BIO Facebook page. At kung malapit na po kayo dito sa San Fernando, Pampanga, kagaya po ni Mayora Esme Pineda, the mayor, the beloved mayor of LUBAO, Pampanga, nandirito sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center. Kung katulad po kayo ni Mayora Esme Pineda na pwede pong pumunta dito sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center at suportahan ang inyong kupunan, nood na po kayo mga kabalin dahil nga palapit na tayo ng palapit sa playoffs nitong Delta Cup. At maalala ko lang po, top 8 teams of Group A and Group B ang papasok lang po sa playoffs. So far, itong dalawang kupunan na to, pasok sila sa playoffs kung nagsimula po ngayong araw. At itong Mexico, BAYUNG Mexico, pag nagsimula ngayong araw ang playoffs, sila po ay merong twice to beat advantage dahil po sila po ay nasa number 3 spot. Top 4, meron pong twice to beat advantage sa quarterfinals 1. Itong level up LUBAO, may tie po sila with I Love San Simon. There's a clock malfunction, hindi gumalaw ang game clock natin. So, love you, Coach Leo. Our referees will stop the time at ibababa nila sa tamang oras. Or no, they will reset the quarter. Uulitin daw nila yung oras. Uulitin daw nila simula ng quarter. Baluyot swings it. Oh, good up fake. Pull-up jumper. No good for Rivadulia. Ito na naman ang mga taga-LUBAO. Manalang who had 7 first quarter points kanina. Kicks it to De La Cruz. De La Cruz attacks. Fran puts it up. No good. Kanya pa rin. Pero naagawan ni Rivadulia. On a 3-on-1 and Baliescas blows the finish. Rebounded by Danan. 6'5" behemoth dito sa Pampanga. Manalang from way downtown. Knocks it down! 10 first half points na para dito kay Mark Manalang. What a hot start. At pati yung mga taga-BAYUNG Mexico nagulat dun sa tira na yun kasi napakalayo. 3 steps away from the 3-point line. As a miss jumper para dun kay Nakpil. Manalang. Pick and roll. Rejects the screen. Hop step. Puts it up and in. Plus a foul. It's the Mark Manalang show in the first half. And everyone from the bench na level up LUBAO love that shot. Take a look at that beautiful Euro step move. Galing dito kay Mark Manalang. Everyone on the bench, especially the guy who loves that move, si CJ Delfino, had to give him a high five. For some of these players dito sa level up LUBAO, gustong magpakilala. Dahil maraming talented na players na nanggagaling dyan sa LUBAO Pampanga. Bukod kay CJ Delfino, of course, naandyan ang mythical 5 member sa NCAA na si June Arthur Roque who transfers. Former Perpetual Alta na siya. Of course, ngayon sasama na siya sa Letran Knight din. Magiging teammates na din sila ni CJ Delfino. Hindi lang po sa Pampanga Delta Sinag Liga Asia as Fajardo gets fouled there. He will shoot through. Itong si Joshua Fajardo. Also another guy na napaka-talented itong si Fajardo. Really good player at the post. Gandang footwork. Shooting din from the mid-range. Kaya nga napak-explosive ng start na itong level up LUBAO. Alam mong pinaghandaan nila itong BAYUNG Mexico ngayong araw. 31-12 ang ating score at napilitang tumawag ng timeout ito si Coach JR Gomez. They are currently down by 19 points, 31-12, 8 minutes and 24 seconds natitira dito sa ating second quarter. Kayo pa rin po ay nakatutok dito sa 2024 Delta Cup. At nandito po tayo ngayon sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center in the beautiful city of San Fernando, Pampanga. Nakikita natin ang mga kabalin nakatutok dito. Inaabangan ng kanilang at pinapanood ang kanilang mga kupunan dito na nakalahok sa Delta Cup natin. Of course, this is brought to you by the local government of Pampanga through the beloved Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. Of course, our broadcast partner po ang Sinag Liga Asia Sports and Production. Aaron Santos, pinasok na ni Coach JR Gomez in this ball game. Here's Aaron. Kicks it to the corner. They swing it down low. Good up fake. There's an initial foul on Danan. First personal on Allen Danan. So, two free throws ang mabibigay kay Mangalos. Aldwin going to the free throw line. See if he can make both. Short ang unang free throw dito ni Aldwin Mangalos. Also in the ball game din para dito sa Bayung, Mexico, Ivan Reonal, number 53. Coach JR bumunot na dahil nga medyo bad start ang kanyang first five as Rivadulla keeps it alive for Bayung, Mexico. Reonal, three-pointer, fouled by Fajardo. So Ivan will go to the free throw line for three. So, ang ganda ng bunot ni Coach JR Gomez kay Reonal at agad-agad siyang makakuha ng chance ang makashoot ng tatlong free throws dito. He knocks down the first one. Ivan Jetro Reonal. Ito yung aking FD dito kasi kapangalan daw niya. Magkaiba kayong letra, huwag kang mag-alala. As that will be two free throws ulit. Dahil nga akala nito ni De La Cruz na dalawang free throw lang ang ibibigay kay Reonal, yung pala tatlo. At pumasok siya sa lane ng aga. May reshot dito si Reonal and he gets the second one. At ngayon, ibigay natin kay MJ Raimundo for her update on Reden Liantos. MJ?
Thank you, Enzo. Pinuntahan ko nga itong si Reden Liantos sa dugout at ayon sa ating mga medic, hindi na makakabalik itong si Reden dahil kailangan ng ipacheck sa hospital at matindi ang nangyari kay Reden matapos bumaksak sa sahig dahil nagdugo din ang kanyang labi at bumaksak ang ulo. Back to you, Enzo.
Thank you so much, MJ. And yun talagang importante. Of course, the health and safety of the players are very, very important. And we, again, everyone here sa Delta Cup wishes Reden Liantos a speedy recovery. Mahirap yun dahil possible concussion protocol din ang ilalagay sa kanya. Of course, yun nga, to what MJ pointed out nga kanina in her report, dumugo rin daw yung bibig ni Reden Liantos. So, let's hope that it's nothing serious for Reden Liantos. Super talented guy and kailangan din siya ng Bayung, Mexico, not just in this ball game but also sa playoffs dahil nga Reden Liantos, again, one of their best players dito in this tournament. Speaking of best players, a mythical five-member of Sinag Liga Asia, born 2001, Charles Jacob Delfino comes back into the game. Santos swings it to Reonal, back to Baliescas, back to Reonal. Silang tatlo lang nagpapasaan. Aaron from the outside, off the mark. And look at Rivadulla flying out of nowhere. There's going to be a foul whistled here. It's going to be an Ivan Reonal. That's the fourth team foul of Bayung, Mexico. And wala pang 3 minuto ang nakalipas dito sa second quarter natin. Not a good sign if you're Coach JR Gomez that your boys are about to be in the penalty. As CJ looking to dance with the defense. Good no-look pass. Di nga lang na-finish nito ni Pangan as there's a whistle blown here. A pushing foul. It's gonna be on Mangalos. And penalty na yan for Bayung, Mexico as Coach JR can't help but just smirk dun. Early penalty na agad sila. Warning whistled here. Aldrin Rivadulla. Danan misses the first free throw. Over 2 for Danan, which is something na talagang Achilles heel nito ni Danan. As a traveling violation clearly from Aldwin Mangalos. Ingbayung Mexico, this is not the Ingbayung Mexico we all know. Hindi sila ganito maglaro. So medyo masama ang simula nila. But they can turn things around hopefully in the second half. In a tale of two halves nga ang basketball. If there's an offensive foul whistled dun kay CJ Delfino, a clear chicken wing move from CJ. That'll just be the third team foul para dito sa level up Lubao. We're still up by 16. Mangalos blocked by Danan. Tumatakbo ng mga nakasul. De La Cruz turns it over. Good steal by Santos. Aaron bounce pass to Rivadulla. And Rivadulla gets the basket to drop plus a foul. Ito na yung spark na dala-dala ni Aldrin Rivadulla off the bench for Ingbayung Mexico every game. Natapik na yung pasa pero napulot ni Rivadulla and he flips it up and in against the taller Manuel Pangan. And Rivadulla goes complete dun sa kanyang three-point play hunt dun. Nababa nila sa 13 ang Kalamangan. 14 seconds on the shot clock for level up Lubao. Good play right there. Great curl action para dun kay Pangan. What a play call for level up Lubao. Rivadulla swings it. Reonal attacks. Ivan drops it off. Mangalos, short stop jumper, wala. Rebounded right here by Gonzalez. Delfino. Bullet pass to the middle. Pangan left it short. Still 5 minutes and 21 natitira sa ating second period as Reonal knocks it down from the outside. Neto na ang Ingbayung Mexico. Unti-unti nang binababa ang Kalamangan. 12 na lang ang kanilang hinahabol. 33-21. We're at the midway point of the second period. Corner three-pointer. Hits nothing. Para dito kay Manansala. Santos swings it. Reonal. Back to back. No good, but Rivadulla's there for the offensive rebound. Santos drives middle. Santos flips it up and in against Danan. And that forces Coach James De La Peña to suit for time. As baba na lang sa 10 ang kanilang Kalamangan. Courtesy of this beautiful layup for Aaron Santos. A David versus Goliath clash right there. And David won that battle. Baba sa 10 ang Kalamangan ng level up Lubao. 33-23. As we can see, the beloved Mayor of Lubao, Pampanga, Mayor Esmeralda Pineda in attendance dito. Supporting her team, etong level up Lubao. Thank you so much po, Mayor Esmeralda Pineda, for being here and supporting po ang youth basketball dito sa Pampanga sa ating 2024 Delta Cup. As 10 na lang Kalamangan itong mga naka-asul. It was as high as 18 points kanina, or sorry, 19 points. Manansalan gives it back. Delfino. CJ with 6 seconds to work with. 4 seconds, Delfino swings it to Pangan. The up fake, Pangan step through. That's a traveling violation. Whistled on level up Lubao. So another stop para sa Ingbayung Mexico. With any basket right here, they can cut the lead down to single digits. pass going to the baseline. Natapik ni Danan. Ball will remain with BAYUNG Mexico as Manalang comes back into the ball game. Another substitution for Level Up Lubao. Babalik din itong si John Zita. Replacing Manuel Pangan. 20 seconds on the shot clock. Reonal from the outside, short. Zita, napigilan yung kanyang pagtakbo, gives it to Gonzalez. Kenji to CJ. Delfino attacks the middle, stripped away by Perez. That's a traveling violation, back-to-back traveling violations whistled here on Level Up Lubao. Coach JR Gomez is ecstatic there. Kasi walang pumunta to catch the inbound. Rivadulia goes underneath, natapigan. Ito si Suba. He gets it back, Suba, the layup. He'll troop to the line for two. I think the foul is going to be whistled here on Danan. It is on Alan Danan. Let's see if Paulo Suba can knock down both free throws as he misses the first one. A little bit too strong there. 3 minutes and 38 natitira sa ating second period. 0 for 2 si Suba from the free throw line, but Reonal keeps it alive. A good passing lane defense right there. Pero it just sails out of bounds. Bola pa rin itong BAYUNG Mexico. Danan uupo muna. Pasok itong... Oh, that pass intended for Suba. Turnover for BAYUNG Mexico as Sinke comes back in. Three minutes and 21 seconds remaining in this first half. Mark, what, 10, what, 13 first half points now. They go down low and Zita travels. So tatlong diretsong traveling violation para dito sa Level Up Lubao. Those are 3 lost chances due to traveling whistles. Sikel kicks it to Suba. They go to Reonal from the outside. Ivan misses. Reonal keeping it alive but tapik nila papunta dito kay Gonzalez. CJ, stop and go move. Delfino is fouled and dahil nga penalty na ang parehong koponan dito, this will be 2 free throws for Charles Jacob. Of course, sa mga nakatutok dyan, tingnan muna natin itong atake. Tasmanian Devil, there's the foul. Pinasa po niya pero dahil nga penalty na ang parehong koponan, 2 free throw ang ibibigay dito kay CJ Delfino. Of course, sa mga Tasmanian Nation, ang Tasmanian Devil fans dyan ni Delfino, makikita po natin itong si Delfino sa Sinag Liga Asia. 23 under and defend ang corona ng Pampanga Delta sa Sinag Liga Asia dahil nga they will defend their title. Talking about Pampanga Delta dito and CJ Delfino, who was a huge part of that championship run nila. Makikita po natin sila pero right now gusto niyang maiuwi ang Delta Cup crown for his hometown of Lubao. 35 to 23. 12-point lead for Level Up Lubao as knockout play. Good deflection right there by Sike. Lubao coaches telling them to go. They have the numbers. As Gonzalez way off the mark there from 3. Aaron attacking the middle, drops it off to Perez, and Perez puts it up and in, plus a foul. Here comes BAYUNG Mexico. With this bonus free throw ni Cycle Perez, they can get this lead down to 9. Good drop pass there by Aaron Santos. And Perez with the finish through the contact. Perez bonus free throw. Couldn't get it to drop. Pero nakuha pa rin itong mga taga-Mexico. Suba. Mismatch. Too strong. De La Cruz on the run. He has Manalang on his left. Pero sabi niya, akin na to. I'll go all the way. 5 points now for Francis De La Cruz. Perez. And that's a clear offensive foul whistled here on Ezekiel Perez. Tingnan natin dito. Yung offensive foul ni Perez clearly may ward off using his right arm. Easy call para sa mga referees natin yan. 90 seconds remaining in this first half. Manalang swings it. Kenji from the outside. No good, and look at De La Cruz flying high for that offensive board. And Manalang will be fouled by Aaron Santos. So mabibigyan pa ng dalawang free throw. Etong si Mark Manalang, who has 13 points already in this first half. 7 in the first, 6 here in the second. Make that 7 in both quarters. 14 points now para kay Mark Manalang. Oh, offensive rebound by Vincent Sinque. The ball will go to BAYUNG, Mexico. A minute and 12 remaining in the first half. Santos gives it to Argel, back to Aaron. Santos calling for the screen. Aaron, pull-up jumper. No good, tapigan ng bola, Suba gets it. Wise move there by Meneses before he falls out of bounds. Binato niya sa naka-asul. Ball will remain dito sa panig ng BAYUNG, Mexico. Perez trying to muscle his way against Sinque. Santos, 4 seconds. They have to put it up, and there's a foul. It's gonna be on Kenji Gonzalez. Look at that foul again from Kenji Gonzalez. Thought he had all ball, pero foul was on the ground. Dahil nga penalty na parehong koponan. Santos will be given 2 free throws right here. Knocking down the first. Itong si Aaron Santos. One out of 2. Manalang on the run. Nakatapik sa likod, but it will remain sa panig ng level up LUBAO. Jordan Mariano comes in for the first time para sa level up LUBAO, but he has to take off muna yung kanyang kwintas. Candy, pinabalik siya muna ng referee sa bench. Gonzalez swings it. De La Cruz misses the 3-pointer. Perez, Bebuelo. Perez, up fake, blocked by Gonzalez. Great defense right there. Kenji just tracked down etong si Perez. Hindi siya nagpa-auto dun sa Euro step move ni Perez. Let's take a look at that once again. Good defense by Gonzalez. Last touch nga lang sa dun as the ball sailed out of bounds. 5-second different shot clock, game clock. Santos kicks it, Argel attacking the baseline, and Argel draws a foul. He'll troop to the line for 2. Foul is going to be whistled on Fajardo. Joshua Fajardo whistled for his 2nd personal foul. Meneses' first free throw. In and out. So the free throw woes continue for BAYUNG, Mexico. Meneses makes the 2nd one. 1 out of 2 for Argel. 11-point lead para dito sa level up LUBAO. 38-27, 9.8 seconds. Coach James Allen de la Peña will call for time to map out a play dito for the final 9.8 seconds. And mga kasinag, SLA Junior World Showcase Philippines is now accepting teams. If you're interested, please send us a letter of intent at sinagasiasports@gmail.com or send us a message through our Facebook page, Sinag Liga Asia. Gusto nyo po ba ma-dethrone ang Pampanga Delta? Sali na po kayo sa Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase. Siyempre, the Junior World Showcase will be held dito sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center on July. But the 23 under and 19 under tournament will start on March. And siyempre, ang Visayas in Mindanao tournaments natin din magsisimula na. Tutok lang po mga kasinag. Ito Delfino. 4 seconds on the clock for level up LUBAO. De La Cruz flips it up at a bailout foul right there. Before the buzzer sounded, a pushing foul. So this would mean 2 free throws pa for De La Cruz. And our referees are asking for a replay dahil nga may oras pa. May oras pa dapat when the foul occurred. So our referee Dennis Iscaros going over to the IRS to check kung how much time pa ang natitira dito. I'm pretty much sure may oras pa kasi the foul did occur dun sa drive ni Francis De La Cruz. From what I saw kanina, at least 1 or 2 seconds ang matitira pa sa clock. That's what Coach JR Gomez is also telling the officials na dapat may oras pa sila. Referees deem it right here. It's supposed to be on the whistle, not on the contact. And ang matitira, according to our officials, 8/10 of a second remaining na lang. Again, on the FIBA rules, it's on the whistle of the referees, not on the contact. Kaya 8/10 of a second na lang natitira sa ating first half. May 2 free throws pa dito. Itong si Francis De La Cruz, and he knocks down the first one, extending their lead to 12. And Coach JR Gomez right there. De La Cruz knocks down both. 13-point lead for level up LUBAO. As Santos nearly hit that. At dyan magtatapos ang ating first half of action dito. Level up LUBAO. After that 10-0 run to start the game, itong level up LUBAO, patuloy pa rin ang kanilang pananalasa, but in the second quarter, itong BAYUNG Mexico, credit itong si Ivan Reonal for waking up, and also itong si Rivadulla and Aaron Santos with that layup. Nagising ng kaunti itong BAYUNG Mexico, but itong level up LUBAO magbabaon ng 12 puntos na kalamangan at half, 39-27. Kaya kapit lang po mga kabalin. Magbabalik po tayo for the second half ng labanang BAYUNG Mexico kontra level up LUBAO.